Okay. MLA formatting looks good. Just make sure that there's a page number by inserting one in the top right corner, including your last names. And it looks like they're not quite in alphabetical order by last name. So nope, it should be Emily first, then Autumn, then Marissa, then Bryce. The 1590s, you don't need an apostrophe whenever you're referring to decades. That's an unknown grammar rule. The first 3 sentences are rather short in your introduction. I wonder if you could combine them in some way. You pretty much just summarize the play in your introduction and then you go right into your thesis. Within your background and context, somehow discuss the idea of masculinity and violence before introducing it in your thesis. Notice your first concrete detail is not embedded, it's dropped. You need to embed it using full sentence introduction, attribution, or integration into your sentence. Tybalt has mood swings, and that depicts him tough, as tough, I think is what you meant to say, depicts him as tough. He is feared, but in ways he is weak because the anxiety is strong. When you introduce that second quote, make sure you're using a colon, not a comma.
Talk to you in a second.
Really strong commentary, though. And you don't need the number sign in your citation, that second citation there. You can just, yep, perfect. And no space between the period in that citation either. Looks like on the next body paragraph after surgeon, you forgot to close the quotation. Remember how we're doing with each line that's divided within the quote, so you don't want this huge thing.
Okay.
Make sure you're combining it all in one line, but you do a forward slash between each line with no spaces between. Exactly. Yep, exactly. Mm-hmm. And I would overall shorten this quote is way too long.
Okay,
Yeah,
I didn't want to take it out or just make it less.
I would maybe pick the top 4 lines, 4 to 5. At the end of that quote, notice you have punctuation within the citation. Make sure it's after the citation, not within it. Okay, I'll go ahead and pause there. Really strong commentary here. I would add a transition statement between paragraphs and make sure you're embedding your evidence here. And then I would take that period out of the quotation. Remember, you only want punctuation after the citation. And if it's capitalized in the original text, make sure you're capitalizing it in your commentary as well. Strong commentary right there. Nice job. Make sure you're embedding your evidence. Eliminate the period within the quotation. Capitalize capulates. Really strong conclusion too. Nice job, guys.